Hello everyone, welcome to Radio Control Authenticator. I bought my first model here in Russia, so apparently there are pretty good Russian websites where you can order radio control cars off of, which is pretty cool. So, first car is the Savage XS Flux with the El Camino SS body on it. The old school classic body. I did get some chargers and some batteries for it. I will review in the next videos. We'll see if they're any good or not, but anyways, let's get into unboxing the car. It is very nicely packed in here. So here we have the radio. The TF41 radio, 2.4 gigahertz. Very nice. Here we have the XS Flux. Boom. Out of the box. Alrighty. So, my first impressions on this car. It's really pretty. Like, this is a really nice body they put on this car. The El Camino body, it looks amazing. And it's, you know, it'd be a shame when you flip this car over when you're doing, 65 miles an hour. Alrighty. Let's get this cover off of here. Pretty much, you have like the same chassis that the Nitro Savage. Well, it's based off the Nitro Savage's chassis. Shocks, very nice. Very, very nice and squishy. You have the 1/10 scale Flux brushless system. Here you have the speed control. On this side you have the motor. Here you have the battery box. Boom. Battery goes in there. Does come with a nice foam cushion. And yeah, that's about it. The whole system is waterproof, which is very nice. Okay, I'm gonna have one complaint here though. One big complaint. HPI says this car goes 65 plus miles an hour. They did not include the gearing for the car. So you have to buy the, I'll put a link for the two parts you need. Fuck, I forgot the name of them. But the gearing that you need for this thing to go 65 miles an hour is not included in the box. Also, here in Russia, it's very hard to find right now. They're sold out on every website, which is crazy. But anyways, we're doing a review on the car. So, out of the box, this thing is meant to be run on a 2-cell Lipo battery. It is not supposed to be run on a 3-cell without the gearing. I mean, I'm still going to run it with the 3-cell Lipos with this 2-cell gearing because screw it. But, yeah. Other than that, you got nice tires. This is very, feels very durable. Rear bumper feels pretty durable as well. Yeah, underneath the car, very nice as well. I would recommend getting some spare control arms, the front and rear arms, because there's a really good chance they'll break when you flip this thing because it goes very fast. as well as the get some spare shock towers. These guys right here that hold up the shocks. I'm actually gonna order some here pretty soon. Unfortunately, they won't come anytime soon because of the Russian holiday, which goes from January 1st to like the 11th. So after that, I'll get it. So hopefully I don't break anything before the Russian holiday. But yeah, in the box, comes with the radio, comes with the car. You have the manual right here. It does not come with any extra clips, so don't lose the clips. Or wait, it does come with extra clips. Never mind. Comes with spare clips. Does come with an extra tool to take the tires off. And it does come with an extra pin to hold the body on. So some extra parts are included. Not very much though. Alrighty. We have the manual here, stickers. And that's all that's in the box. In the next video, I will go over the chargers I bought for this thing. I bought one on AliExpress and one off the Russian website. And yeah, what'll be next is just charging up the batteries and taking it for its first run. And if you're like me and you bought this thing with 3-cell lipos, not knowing that it's geared for 2-cell lipos, you will be a little bit upset. You will. I'm a little bit upset because I can't get the gearing right now. But we'll see how it runs on the 3-cell lipos I got for it. Does come with a full Metal Gear drivetrain, so it, says it has a bulletproof drivetrain. We'll see if we can break it. Yeah, oversized suspension. Look at that, nice. Look at that, nice absorption there. Very nice absorption. So it will be fun to take it on some big jumps. Also, just check, we'll do some tests on the turning radius, and yeah, so not too bad. Anyways, this was my unboxing video of the Savage XS Flux. Only complaint, not having the gearing for the 3-cell lipo. I will include those links in the description, but keep in mind when you first buy this car, make sure you can buy it with the 3-cell lipo gearing, because apparently everybody's bought all the 3-cell lipo gearing in Russia off every damn website. So it's a great car. It comes with a lot of stuff. It looks really pretty. I'm ready to take it for a drive here pretty soon, so in the next video I'll do that. We'll find some cool jumps, some cool places to drive it here in Sochi. Other than that, I'm really excited. Should be really fun. And another part of the journey is just going to be seeing which website I can finally find the correct gearing to buy it off of on. So, yeah.